Hi friends, Ms. Yao here.
And Mr. Carter.
And we're here to take a look at some mixed word problems. So what that means is we have some multiplication and some division, and it's up to you to figure out which one is which. Also, yes, there is a secret password, and yes, I will pop it in at some point in the video, so pay attention. All right, number one, Christine had 36 cherries. If she baked 9 cherries into each pie, how many pies did she make? I want you to pause this video now and solve. Be very careful. Which number is the total? Do you know the total or do you want to find the total? Get to work. All right, guys, we are back. So let's see if you took notes. I forgot to remind you to do that. If you forgot, make sure you're doing it with me. So Christine has 36 cherries. Delicious. And she baked 9 cherries into each pie. So each pie equals 9C, or 9 cherries. And the question is, how many pies did she make? She made blank pies. Easy as that. So now I want to think, do I know the total or do I want to solve for the total? Let's look. So I can see that Christine has 36 cherries in all, so that is the total. So if I know the total, do I multiply or divide? I divide. So 36 divided by 9. So I'm going to solve it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. How many are in each group? 4. So 36 divided by 9 equals 4. She, Christine, made 4 pies. Nice work.
Hi everyone, Mr. Carter here. Let's look at our next problem. And remember, we're trying to figure out, is this a multiplication problem or a division problem? The president serves a 4-year term. If President Obama served 2 terms, how many years was he our president in all? First, I would like for you to try and solve this yourself, so get to work. And we are back. So, let's look at our problem one more time. The president serves a 4-year term. If President Obama served 2 terms, how many years was he our president in all? So at the very end there, in our question, it says, in all. And we know that if we are trying to find how many there were in all, that means we are looking for the total, and we were not given the total. And when we are trying to find the total, that means we will be multiplying. So, let's go ahead, now that we know we are multiplying, set up for our notes, our work, and our answer sentence. So our notes, the president serves a 4-year term. So 4-year term. And if President Obama served 2 terms, Obama served 2 terms. How many years was he our president in all? So we can go ahead and write our answer sentence. He is in President Obama, was our P for blank years. Great. So now that we know it's multiplication, and we know that the president serves for 2 4-year terms, I think we will make 2 groups using our circle dot strategy and put 4 years inside each of our groups. The circles represent terms and the dots represent years. And now this is super easy peasy lemon squeezy. We just need to count on up to find our total. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we know he was our president for 8 years. Awesome work, everybody. Let's move on.
All right, but before we move on, I have a secret password for you. Now, Mr. Carter, do you like eating Ben & Jerry's ice cream?
I love eating Ben & Jerry's ice cream.
Me too. And my favorite flavor, believe it or not, has banana in it. I know, that's crazy. And it's actually called Chunky Monkey. So on the bottom of your paper, I want you to write Chunky Monkey. It's super duper good. It's a banana flavored ice cream with little chocolate chips in it. Definitely my favorite. All right, let's look at number 3. Sophie spent $28 on beauty products. If each of the 7 products she bought cost the same amount, how much did she spend on each beauty product? All right, don't forget to take your notes. Don't forget, my chunky monkeys, to have your answer sentence. Good luck.
Welcome back, everybody. It's Mr. Carter here. Let's read our problem one more time. Sophie spent $28 on beauty products. If each of the 7 products she bought cost the same, how much did she spend on each beauty product? Well, real quick, let's look at our first part here. Sophie spent $28 on beauty products. So we know that she spent the total, because however much she spent was the total amount of money that is being talked about in this problem. So, 28 is our total, and we know that if 28 is our total, we are going to, what, everybody? Correct. We are going to be dividing. So let's look at our notes. Sophie spent 28 on beauty products. So Sophie, spent 28. Okay? And if each of the 7 products she bought cost the same, so we know that 7 products cost the same. Now, we can go ahead and write our answer sentence. How much did she spend on each beauty product? She spent blank. And we'll just leave it there. She spent blank. Awesome. Now, let's go ahead and check how we can solve this problem. Since we know 28 is our total, let's use circle dot again, and we will make 7 circles, because for 7 products, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got our 7 products, and now we need to figure out how much each of those products cost, because we know they all cost the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Awesome. Now, if each of those cost 28 total, they cost 28 total, so now let's see how much each one cost. 1, 2, 3, 4. So she spent $4 on each product. Make sure to finish your answer sentence. Awesome work, everybody. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.